Listen to me. Don't shout after me. You hear me?
I'm not shouting. Please contain yourself. I'm just doing my job.
Me chop you up, you know.
Okay, Domino's.
Hello, Domino's. Do you have the $5 pizza meal?
Yeah, we have the 555 deal.
How much is it? $5?
Yeah, it's $5, yeah.
$5 for the three of them?
Yes, smart guy, yes, it's $5. No, sir, it's not $5.
$5.
Where did you go to school?
I'm a Jamaican, $5. A $5 for each of them?
It's 555 deal. $5
$5.
and 5.
Alright, me can get that?
Sir, you can get the 555 deal. But it's not $5, sir.
Alright, so a $5 for each.
Sir.
Listen to me, don't shout after me.
$5 for the 3, sir.
Listen to me, don't shout after me. You hear me?
I'm not shouting. Please contain yourself. I'm just doing my job.
Me chop you up, you know.
You wanna chop me up?
Yeah, me chop you up. So
that's nice to know, but I have to get back to work, so I'll call you. Yeah, you know, just don't call me back. I'm working, okay?
But me a buy something, but you're bright, eh? Hello?
Hello?
You just hang up on me. Me can talk to your manager?
Sir, didn't I tell you don't call my job?
Hey boy, me say me talk to your manager. You know, no manners.
You cannot speak to my manager. What's wrong with you?
Man, that cheap pizza me a buy in my youth. I'm hungry, you know, please.
You're not a civilized person. I told you that's 550.
Batty man, you short off for me. Stop short off for me.
Are you insane?
What's that? You're a bad man.
I am not a bad man. I am a civilized civilian of the United States.
You want to